Bryophytes have adapted reproductively to terrestrial environments by evolving two structures that prevent their eggs and sperm from drying out: the archegonia, in which eggs are fertilized and develop, and the antheridia, in which sperm are formed. Depending on the species, a given gametophyte plant may have either an archegonia, an antheridia, or both. In all bryophytes, sperm swim to the egg through a film of water, led by chemical attractants emitted by the egg. As the sperm of bryophytes must travel through at least a film of water to reach the egg, bryophytes living in dry climates must time their reproductive activity to coincide with rainy periods. Like their algae ancestors, bryophyte life cycles alternate between diploid and haploid generations. The haploid generation of mosses often consists of huge numbers of green gametophyte plants that look like tiny evergreens, with the archegonia and antheridium sitting near the top. In liverworts, the gametophyte generation often looks like a small green leaf attached to the ground, out of which rise structures that look like little green umbrellas. These are the archegonia and antheridium. As gametophyte plants are haploid, sperm and eggs are created by mitosis. After the sperm fertilizes the egg in the archegonia, the resulting zygote remains in the archegonia. In mosses, it develops into a long, stalked diploid sporophyte that rises directly out of the archegonia. The sporophyte is topped by a capsule, in which haploid spores are produced by meiosis. The capsule eventually breaks open, and the haploid spores are dispersed by wind and eventually germinate if they land in a suitable environment, producing a tangled moss of green filaments called a protonema. Moss protonema looks remarkably like filamentous green algae, suggesting in part an evolutionary link between mosses and green algae. As protonema grows, it forms rhizoids that attach to the ground and shoots that grow upward into gametophyte plants that continue the life cycle.